ever shrieked at seeing long, squirmy creatures burrowing through the soil? They are brown and wiggly, and they wiggle their way through dirt and under rocks. Well, while they might look a bit awful, they are actually our friends on Earth called earthworms. Well, if they aren't here to scare us off, then why are worms important to planet Earth? Believe it or not, worms are very important for healthy plants to grow and to provide us food. Firstly, earthworms help recycle organic material. Along with bacteria and fungi, they help break down organic material like leaves and peels into a form that plants can use. Secondly, they help aerate the soil. When the worms burrow through the soil, they open up holes whereby water, air, and nutrients can seep into the soil. Thirdly, they increase nutrient availability. When they eat, they leave phosphorus and nitrogen in their remains, and these can be used by plants. A fourth reason why worms are helpful to planet Earth is that they are also food for other animals like birds. So next time you see an earthworm burrowing through the soil in the garden or the park, now you know how they help our ecosystem. Share this video with your friends if you liked it, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.